Welcome to the Weekly Spanish Review. This is for Mr. Jones's class, Spanish 2 for Week 6. I hope everyone enjoyed doing their country project. I hope they learned a little bit about the history of your country, the famous people that live in that country or that were born there, and some of the special events too that you researched. Besides learning about a new country, we also learned some culture this week, geography, and also nationalities. Right now we'll take a look at some of the different countries, which continent they're located in, and what's their nationality. So starting in South America, which is Sudamérica or América del Sur, we can see the countries over here on the left side, and then I'll go over the pronunciation on some of these for nationality. We've got Argentino, Boliviano, Chileno, Colombiano, Ecuatoriano, Paraguayo, Peruano, Uruguayo, and Venezolano. All right, moving to Central America, America Central, Guatemalteco, Salvadoreño, Hondureño, Costarricense, Nicaragüense, and Panameño. Norte America, where Mexico is located, we've got Mexicano. And then finally El Caribe, Las Islas, Cubano, Puertorriqueño, Dominicano. And then in Europa, in Spain, they speak Spanish, Español. So when we learn some new words, like we did this week with nationalities, we want to put them into use, put it into practice. So from last year, we can remember the word vivir means to live. So we're going to try and put some sentences together right now. Let's try and make this sentence. Many Peruvians live in South America. We can start with muchos. And then if we look on our list over here, Peruvian, we'll make it plural. So we'd say muchos peruanos. And then we got to look at this verb. If you remember at the beginning of the year, we learned how to conjugate those verbs. So if it's talking about peruanos, that's talking about multiple. It's talking about they. So we remember we conjugate vivir with they would be viven. So we've got most of our sentence, muchos peruanos viven, and then we got to look for South America. In two different ways we could say that up here. So we could say Sudamérica or América del Sur. Another new word we're learning is hardworking. That's on our vocabulary list for chapter 6. So we can try to make this sentence, the Chilean doctor, because doctor is also a new word. So if we remember back, doctor is médico. So we would say el médico chileno es, and then hardworking is also another new word we're learning, ambicioso. I hope you enjoyed this week learning about new countries and a lot of different culture from other countries. Next week, we're going to continue with the new vocabulary from chapter 6 that we're studying, and also the differences between ser and estar.